Welcome to Day 110 of Future Business School's Daily MBA. Today, we'll wrap up the series with a final revision and key takeaways. Over the past 109 days, we've explored numerous business concepts, case studies, and strategies from various industries. And today is all about reflecting on those key lessons and tying it all together.
Core themes of the series: leadership and ethics. Throughout the series, leadership has been a recurring theme. From Boeing's leadership challenges during the 737 MAX crisis to BP's handling of the Deepwater Horizon oil spill, we've seen how crucial ethical decision-making is in times of crisis. Strong leadership, grounded in ethics, can make or break a company's reputation. Strategic thinking. We dove deep into strategic concepts such as Amazon's data-driven decision-making, Toyota's lean manufacturing principles, and Google's diversification into hardware and AI. The ability to think strategically, anticipate market shifts, and continuously innovate is critical for business success. Innovation and adaptability. From Disney's transformative acquisitions of Pixar, Marvel, and Lucasfilm to Nike's brand management, we've seen that innovation and adaptability are key for long-term survival. Businesses that stay stagnant risk being disrupted, while those that continuously push the boundaries maintain relevance. Global expansion and localization. Case studies on companies like Alibaba, Vodafone, and Emirates highlighted the complexities of global expansion. Successful international businesses understand the importance of localizing their strategies to cater to regional markets while maintaining a global brand identity. Risk management. In the world of finance and beyond, managing risks is critical. We discussed Goldman Sachs's risk management strategies and Pfizer's handling of R&D risks, particularly during the development of the COVID-19 vaccine. Whether it's financial risks, operational risks, or reputational risks, businesses must proactively identify and mitigate risks to succeed.
Key lessons across industries, retail and supply chain management. In sessions focused on Walmart and Amazon, we learned how supply chain optimization and inventory management are integral to keeping costs low and maximizing efficiency. The use of technology like automation and data analytics has revolutionized supply chains, giving companies a significant competitive edge. Finance and wealth management. We explored financial modeling and personal wealth planning, gaining insights into how businesses and individuals alike must be financially savvy to thrive. Whether you're creating a pro forma statement for a business or budgeting for personal investments, understanding financial principles is key. Technology and digital transformation. From Google's product diversification to Facebook's data privacy issues, we saw how technology plays an increasingly dominant role in every industry. Businesses must embrace digital transformation, invest in innovation, and remain agile in the face of rapid technological advancements.
Entrepreneurship versus corporate careers. We covered the pros and cons of both entrepreneurship and corporate careers. Entrepreneurship offers independence, creativity, and potential financial rewards, while corporate careers provide stability, structured growth, and work-life balance. Both paths require careful self-assessment, risk tolerance, and long-term planning.
Capstone projects and practical application. During the MBA capstone sessions, we discussed how to apply the knowledge gained by creating business plans, developing marketing strategies, and leading organizational change. These projects emphasize the importance of taking theoretical knowledge and applying it to real-world challenges.
Career development and professional growth. The final series of sessions focused on career planning, job negotiations, and networking. Whether you're seeking a consulting role, planning a corporate career, or launching a startup, we provided strategies to enhance your professional brand and maximize your career opportunities.
Top 5 key takeaways from the Daily MBA series. First, continuous learning and adaptation. No matter the industry, continuous learning and adaptation are vital. Businesses must innovate and pivot to stay ahead of competitors and changing market conditions. Second, data-driven decision-making. Whether in marketing, finance, or operations, leveraging data is essential for informed decision-making. Companies like Amazon have thrived by harnessing the power of data to refine their strategies and drive growth. Third, ethical leadership. We've seen that leadership is not just about profits, it's also about ethics and responsibility. Companies that prioritize ethical leadership, like Pfizer during the vaccine rollout, build trust and foster long-term success. Fourth, global strategy and localization. Global expansion requires a careful balance of maintaining a global brand while catering to local markets. Companies like Alibaba and Vodafone have shown that understanding regional differences is critical to thriving in international markets. And finally, risk management and resilience. Businesses must be prepared for uncertainty, whether it's a financial crisis, a supply chain disruption, or a reputational issue. Resilience and risk management strategies are crucial for long-term sustainability.
Moving forward, applying your MBA knowledge. As you wrap up the Daily MBA, think about how you can apply these lessons in your own career or business. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur, a corporate leader, or a future consultant, the knowledge you've gained can serve as a strong foundation for tackling real-world challenges. For entrepreneurs, focus on innovation, customer needs, and scalability. Be prepared to pivot and adapt as markets change. For corporate leaders, strategic thinking, ethical leadership, and team collaboration will help you rise through the ranks. For consultants, analytical skills and industry knowledge are key to advising clients on their biggest challenges and opportunities.
Key tools to continue your growth. Business simulations. Use tools like business simulations to sharpen your decision-making skills. Data analytics. Master tools like Power BI, Tableau, and Excel for data-driven insights. Scenario planning. Continue using scenario planning to prepare for potential disruptions and future opportunities. Networking. Stay active in building and maintaining a professional network, leveraging tools like LinkedIn and industry events.
Final thought: lifelong learning. The MBA journey doesn't end here. Business is constantly evolving, and staying curious, open-minded, and eager to learn is crucial for success. Whether you pursue further studies, attend workshops, or engage in self-directed learning, make lifelong education a priority. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through Future Business School's Daily MBA. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Continue learning, keep pushing boundaries, and stay tuned for more future content designed to help you succeed in the world of business.